Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Surendranagar. It is from Gujarat. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Assistant Manager Credit Operations in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities like understand rural market multitasking and team player, underwriting and secured product, good communicational skills and hardworking, physical PD at client business place, market feedback and analysis of customer profiles, maintain decision TAT approval ratio, also need to manage 6 MOB, FEMI and FDD, coordinate with all branch team members and coming to the required qualifications and experience like educational qualifications like graduate like BCom or BMS or BBA etc. and work experience would be 1 to 3 years of experience required and coming to the age like equal to or below 30 years. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for web developer in Gatiswam Softtech Private Limited. Coming to the job responsibilities like revise, edit, proofread and optimize web content, work with cross functionality to enhance overall user experience of their platforms and own various design tasks involved in the web development lifecycle from start to finish. These are some responsibilities for this job role, and if you see the qualifications required like bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science and at least 1 to 2 years of experience using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, proficiency in at least one server-side technology like Java, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, and ability to multitask, organize and prioritize work. These are some qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for store executive in Trello Intimates and coming to the job role like handling store department independently and material in outward including stock maintained and it will be a full-time job role regular or permanent and the salary will be from 12,000 per month and it will be a day shift and coming to the supplemental pay like yearly bonus and 1 year experience candidates are preferred. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for purchase assistant in Flavoroma Flavors and Fragrances Private Limited. And coming to the job responsibilities like monitor stock levels and identify purchasing needs and research potential vendors, track orders and ensure timely delivery and update internal databases with order details, dates, vendors, quantities and discounts and conduct market research to identify pricing trends and evaluate offers from vendors and negotiate better prices and prepare cost analysis, maintain updated records of invoices and contracts and follow up with suppliers as needed and to confirm or change orders and liaise with warehouse staff to ensure all products arrive in good condition. These are some job responsibilities for this job role and coming to the salary it will ranges from 9 to 15,000 per month and 1 year experienced candidates are preferred. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for QC chemist in Flavoroma Flavors and Fragrance Private Limited. Coming to the salary, it will ranges from 9 to 15,000 per month. And if you see the responsibilities, like maintain the laboratory's quality system, perform analytical tests in the laboratory, assist with laboratory administrative duties, maintain smooth laboratory workflow, obtain lab certifications and complete QA or QC assignments, promote good customer relations with all clients, sample collections and water quality monitoring, and other duties will be assigned. These are some responsibilities for this job role. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred and 1 year experienced candidates can apply. And it will be a day shift job role. And coming to the supplemental pay, like yearly bonus. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for accounts executive in Flavor Aroma Flavors and Fragrance Private Limited. And coming to the job responsibilities, like he or she will be in charge of daily accounting activities, monitoring, analysis and MIS, and the knowledge of indirect and direct taxation. Feeling of taxation would be an added advantage for this job role. Stock audits and audits, bank reconciliations and budgeting. And if you see the salary, it ranges from 10 to 20,000 per month, and it will be a day shift. And coming to supplemental pay, like yearly bonus, and if you see the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred and total 1 year of work experience is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.